blizzard. Or so we're told. What's up, guys? Enjoying the weather? Here's Daniel.
Hey, everyone.
He says hello. Oh yeah. She's got snow. She looks like she's going to hit him with it. She's got Snowball ready, locked and loaded. Uh-oh. This is where it comes down to. Beautiful. Good thing you didn't hit the camera, damn it. This is great. Here's Daniel, he's suffering.
Just a little bit.
This is what we're in.
Inches and inches and inches.
So we're working at this. Now I was coming up here anyway, so I really wanted this no matter what, but I had to drag Daniel. He did not want to come. And I don't blame him. I don't blame anybody. I'm just nuts. So we're looking over the almost the tallest part of the city. We're getting up there right now. This is the spot, as always seen in all the other videos. There he goes. Wait for it. Wait for it. There's going to be a point where he hits. Oh boy. Well, it doesn't look like they're going very fast right now. Hello, my friend. How are you? Hey. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be. I know. You have to really trench through it. It's like, it is. Now, watch us try to walk down. Video is going to be kind of shaky because of that reason. There was a time in Indiana where we used to actually be used to snow. It's not that way anymore.
Oh.
It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen.
That was fun.
Yeah, I mean, you didn't hurt yourself.